Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Red Alert on Mac. Many classic games, like Red Alert, were originally designed for Windows, but don't worry, you can still enjoy them on your Apple computer. We'll go over two primary methods: using virtualization software to run a full Windows environment, or employing compatibility layers that translate Windows commands directly. Both offer excellent ways to revisit this iconic real-time strategy game, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience. One effective way to play Red Alert is by using virtualization software. Programs such as Parallels Desktop or VMware Fusion allow you to create a virtual computer running a full Windows operating system right on your Mac. You'll need to install Windows within this virtual environment, just like on a physical PC. For the best experience, ensure your Mac has sufficient resources, ideally at least 8 GB of RAM and a capable processor, to handle both Mac OS and the virtualized Windows simultaneously. Another excellent option involves using compatibility layers or wrappers. Tools like Wine or the Porting Kit can allow Windows applications to run directly on Mac OS without needing a full virtual machine. These solutions work by translating Windows API calls into commands your Mac understands. While often simpler to set up, performance can sometimes vary. It's worth experimenting to find the best wrapper for Red Alert, as some configurations might offer smoother gameplay than others. To ensure a smooth experience, always check online communities and forums for specific Red Alert installation guides. Many players share optimized configurations and necessary patches. When setting up your virtual machine or wrapper, allocate ample processing power and graphics memory, perhaps 2 GB for graphics, if possible. Finally, keep your Mac OS updated to the latest version, as this often improves compatibility and performance with third-party software. Enjoy commanding your forces.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.